In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Zoho Mail account with Gmail. This is a great way to manage your emails across platforms effortlessly. So, let's dive right into it. First, we'll start with Zoho Mail. Head over to Zoho Mail's website and log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in, this is where all the magic begins. You'll need to locate your account settings. To do this, navigate to the right menu tab and find the gear icon. This icon is essentially your gateway to adjusting various settings within your Zoho Mail account. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on Mail Accounts. This is where you can view and manage all of your email accounts associated with Zoho. It's important to complete this step as it ensures you're operating within the correct settings area needed for integration with Gmail. Now click on the Pop tab. Here you'll notice your account name and your default email address. Pay close attention to this section as copying the correct information is crucial. In this step, go ahead and copy your default Zoho email address. This email address will be used later on to set up forwarding within Gmail. With your Zoho email address in hand, let's transition over to Gmail. Open Gmail in your browser, and at the top right corner, you should see the settings icon. Click on this and select Settings from the drop-down menu to proceed. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. This section allows you to manage external email accounts, making it perfect for our integration task today. In the Accounts and Import tab, look for the option to add another email address and click on it. Here you'll be prompted to enter the email address you copied from Zoho. Paste it into the designated field. After pasting your Zoho email address, click Next Step. This is a crucial step that takes you further into the integration process. You will then be asked to input your Zoho password, so have it handy. Following the password step, you'll need to select a port number. This controls how the information is transmitted between the email servers. It's recommended to use port numbers 587 or 465 as they provide secure connections. Once you've selected the port number and ensured all details are correct, click on Add Account. This finalizes the integration between Zoho Mail and Gmail, allowing for a streamlined email management experience across both platforms. Congratulations, you've now successfully linked your Zoho Mail with Gmail. You can handle emails from both accounts directly within Gmail, which simplifies your workflow and keeps everything in the one convenient location. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep an eye out for more helpful guides.